Pig integration of Bóly Incorporation and Dalmand Incorporation, 2009. We launched the pig integration of Bóly Incorporation and Dalmand Incorporation in 2009 following 4 years of preparation and analysis. In order to launch the integration, it was essential to ensure several conditions, such as construction of a modern pig farm using world-class husbandry technologies, providing equally high standard genetics, as well as adopting and maintaining an advanced veterinary system. Alongside these, it is naturally essential to apply the new management philosophy, adopt and master the modern production management. This includes work organization in weekly scheduling, foraging strategy, veterinary protocol, observing the animal welfare, environmental and labor health regulations in accordance with EU standards. The pig integration of Bóly Incorporation and Dalmand Incorporation properly fits into the whole of our company group. It is our future goal to produce approximately 440,000 porkers of excellent quality for Pig Seget Incorporation in an economical way. The production of the porkers is executed in several phases. The Sealfash Nucleus Pig Farm of Dalmand Incorporation has been operating since spring 2007, where there are presently 175 landrace great-grandparent pigs, 1,330 grandparent sows, and 17 Maximus gilts. In 2010, we are planning to transfer 37,000 young pigs to different farms. 12,000 barrels will be transferred to be fattened by third parties, while the remaining 25,000 will be sent to Vörösegyháza. It is our goal to produce the Rattle Seegers Cora line in the best quality. The most important genetic characteristics of the Rattle Seegers Cora hybrid. The maternal side is 50% larger white, 25% landrace, and 25% Duroc blood rate. We started to operate our piglet rearing farm in Vörösegyháza in January 2008. Previously, it had been a cattle farm and it received its present form after its reconstruction. This farm is also a stable with stepping grids and lagoon, fitted with sidewall air intakes, heating and cooling facilities. We apply liquid foraging, which is computer-controlled based on the forage curves. The Vörösegyháza farm can house 10,600 porkers. In 2010, we are already planning to sell 10,000 Rattle Seeger Cora parent sows, partly for the replacement of the Bóly farms of the company group and, mostly, for the external partners. In 2009, we already supplied gilts to the Békés Csaba farm of Dr. György Számfira, the Mohács site of the Hungáros Seegers, the Debrecen site of Permex Vet Ltd., and the Karcag site of Pigomix Ltd. Our foreign customers include German, Russian, Croatian, Czech, Slovenian, and Serbian pig breeders, many of whom are now returning customers. For the second half of 2010, we are planning to sell the Rattle Seegers Maximus male piglets in limited numbers. The paternal side of the porkers is a so-called synthetic terminal line, homozygote, stress-free. Along with the Új Major farm, capable of housing 1,500 sows, production is performed at the Török Dome site as well. The crossbreeding of the Rattle Seegers Cora and the Rattle Seegers Maximus terminal hog results in our final product, porkers. As a result of the reconstruction and expansion of the former farm housing 1,500 sows, Török Dome now has a capacity of 3,500 sows. We started to fill up this farm in March 2009. The full capacity of production will be reached by the end of the year. One basic condition of the good production indicators is advanced foraging. This is supported by the renovated Weda Kitchen liquid foraging technology. The individual sew quarters and the dropping boxes had been expanded, and a new shower competent sew section and a piglet rearing section with a spot mix kitchen had been built. By 2010, the farm will be capable of releasing 90,000 young porker pigs of 30 to 32 kilograms within the frameworks of the pig integration. The advantages of the Bóly and Dalmand Rattle Row Seegers Cora hybrid are clearly remarkable. A stock free from the 8 diseases causing major economic damages, namely leptospirosis, Augeski, brucellosis, PRRS, mycoplasma, APP1, APP2, and dysentery. Genetical development is continuous with the help of the Belgian Breeding Center. Traceability is ensured individually. We have the breeding stock for the one-off settlement of a farm of several thousands of animals. The breeding stock of hybrids is continuously supplied. We offer professional advisory regarding husbandry technology, foraging, and animal health. Within the frameworks of the integration, we ensure the smooth sale of porkers and also the forages needed for their rearing. The professional team of the Bóly Incorporation, Dalmand Incorporation Pig Integration hopes that more and more players join the producer team, whose goal is to provide excellent supplies for the meat plant of Pig Szeged Incorporation, offering products for the Hungarian and the foreign markets. Please be one of our integration partners. Buy your gilts from us. Bóly Incorporation, Dalmand Incorporation Pig Integration.